Hello everyone, this is Embedded Systems Project, mini vending machine, created by students of Electrical and Electronics Engineering of International University of Sarajevo. This vending machine is combined from two parts. On the left side you can see section for products, and on the right side there are located display, coin entry, push buttons for products, coin separator located inside with change return under the machine. Before inserting coins, on displays written welcome, insert a coin. Immediately after you insert a coin, the sensors will read it and show to you on display what you inserted and how much total you have. After that, you can see on display select your item, which you can choose with push buttons or keep inserting coins for product you want. In this case, we want to choose product 2 with price of 1.5 km. We inserted 2 times 1 km. Total is 2 km as shown. The machine gives the product and in the same time it gives change of 0.5 km, as you can see, so the program starts from the beginning. The most amazing and the most difficult was this part to make, coin separator. Here, as you can see, machine will separate coins by its size. In the first hole it will fall every coin less than 1 km by its size, so it will be returned to the customer, because this machine does not recognize these coins. Next hole is for 1 km, so it will be read by sensor and sorted in little tube. The third hole is for 0.5 km. It will be also read by sensor and sorted in little tube. The last hole is for 2 km, so the same process will happen to that coin. If we want to insert 5 km, it will go through the tunnel and will be returned to the customer. In the next case, it will be shown how machine is returning the change. For example, if we inserted 3 km in total, firstly 2 km and then 1 km, choosing product that costs 1.5 km, our change will be also 1.5 km. It will give us change of 1 km and then change of 0.5 km. So the motor will rotate for 360 degrees and it will push the last coin in the tube. It will go through the tunnel to the customer. It will happen the same with 0.5 km.